We are in 1808. This is a spacious panoramic ocean view, and it is on the very front of the ship, right on the corner. Oh, wait, I gotta... Key cards are always right here. This is our first time in a spacious panoramic ocean view, and I'm so excited. Okay, so girls can sleep here. This folds out into a queen bed. So very excited about this. Hold on, I gotta figure out how to turn on the lights. You come in, you gotta have a key card. Somebody's left one in here for us. That's awesome. And you're gonna press that button. So from here, we're gonna look forward. This is a pretty good size room. Over here to my right, you've got closets. This one has a bunch of shelves in it. And these two are for hanging clothes. Lots of hangers, lots of space. Hold on. Well, lots of space in here. Again, that's for a queen bed. So this room holds 4 people. It can sleep up to 4 people, as long as y'all don't mind sharing a bed. You got a fridge, lots of storage space. You got big drawers. You've got a drawer here as well. You've got 2 regular plugs and then another plug there. You have this light for here and some more shelving right here. You've got some shelves down in there as well, and your TV, the bed. This can be turned into 2 twin beds as well. And then this is the part that I'm so excited about. I mean, this is a pretty good size space. There's plenty of space to walk through here. And then you have this, and I've got to figure out how to open it. Oh my gosh. Look at this view. Just, oh my gosh. Look at this view. This is gorgeous. Okay, so we are right down here is where the captains are. There's a little walking path. We can do some people watching right here. And we are really looking out. That right there is the front of the ship. So we are looking out right over the front of the ship. I mean, I'm very excited about it. I love this. Okay, wait, I forgot to show you the bathroom. So coming back this way, let's see the bathroom. Not bad. It's a typical bathroom. It's pretty small. Some of these cabins have just wire things in here. This one actually has the toilet cleaner. But a little shelf here. And then shelves. These are pretty deep too. Look how pretty deep shelves for all your bathroom supplies in here. I love that this is a sliding door versus the curtains. I hate the curtains. And it's still a pretty small shower, but it's perfect. It's perfect. A life without adventure is a, wait, I don't remember. Wait. A life with adventure is a life well lived. So I think that I'm gonna get sick by going in circles. I'm pretty sure I did that too fast, so let's slow it down. No, I'm done.